Even today morning we went. Now, 18 months from October 2nd, 2001, Gandhi Jayanti we inaugurated, done by the public and the BBMP. It has worked every day for 18 months. It is our request, do not be negative. If in your ward you are having a small piece of land, now nobody asked me whose land is that. Land, they said land is a big problem. Everyone saying no land. That is disputed land. Just like Mesri Parek is disputed land. When you go and work to clean, both parties will say thank you sir. We are not doing anything permanent. So even if you have disputed land in your ward,
so it's no longer disputed.
Even better. But if you tell me in your ward there is no land, I will not believe you. And it is possible to build a ramp in.
No, build a ramp, land is not an issue.
So our request to you sir is,
not a constraint.
in every ward,
And
if you
are not building ramps everywhere, only a few black spots and traditional and perpetual black spots.
So this is a transfer point for all, the main point for the ward. Before the lorry used to have 5 points. 7 o'clock, 7:30, 8, 8:45, 9. Now lorry has only 1 point. So in the whole neighborhood, only 1 point is there. Everybody is coming there. And if the pushcart cannot come, the auto is doing 2 trips. So when the pushcart lady comes, the lorry is always there. There is no question of waiting. There is no. So it is working. So all we are saying is this is not theory.
Somehow things will work.
So our request is in your ward, if you can try this, it will help a lot. That no garbage will go on the ground. So these are the 2 ideas. One is using bag. When there is no land, road ಮೇಲೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ use a bag. We have just used a simple bag. It costs 10 rupees. That's all. We are spending 300 rupees a week, which few people have tried out and it is working. Second one is this one. Now if you are in the mood, I will show you one 3-minute cartoon movie. Nobody makes movies on Paura Karmikas, but we have made a simple cartoon movie which will explain exactly how it works. Any other comments on these 2 systems or any other suggestions? We have many roses more. Any other idea?
After the elevation.
Huh? Yeah, okay. We are showing a movie which is called The Current, How the System Is. Why is Bangalore so dirty? It's the Bestcom property, which is dustbin. Is this a black spot? How it is formed? It's a parking there. Parking the garbage till the next vehicle takes it. That is what is happening, and in most places it is that at Bestcom transformer. Is it happening in all your wards like this? For a car, after it's finished, he has to put somewhere. So they have one parking spot. Normally it's an illegal parking spot, normally next to a transformer or in some corner. What happens next? Let's see what happens next. Non-tipper auto. Where does the auto go? It goes to the bigger black spot. So from small small black spot to main black spot of area, which is normally big transformer. See the time, 10:45.
This is garbage transmission.
Garbage.
Transmission.
Why we are showing time? Because sometimes this is in front of a school, in front of an office, everyone is going to work, and still this is going on at 10:40 in all the commercial areas. What happens next? It has taken 45 minutes. I can say with personal experience, 5 of us tried to do one day. We said, now Martvi, I don't know how long it takes. It took us 1 hour 15 minutes of doing lifting and putting. It is very hard work, all of you know. Every day we are making our workers do very hard work. So till 11:30, that is like the office of BPMP in front of public space. People are throwing. Time nodding. If it is dirty, I will throw. 1:30, 3 o'clock, 5 o'clock. People keep throwing because it looks dirty. No one is saying no. If I have a hotel at night, I will come and put there because next day they will clean. So if you come from outside Bangalore and you walk on MG Road and you see, you say, what a dirty city. And BBMP is saying, we are doing our work. So BBMP is doing its work. This is the job. This is the system. And everybody else is saying it is so dirty. That is the problem. So even if you do 100% efficiency, you are supposed to do that lift from here to there. We are saying, do your work so that it also looks clean all the time. So this is the solution.